guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. So my schedule is quite packed this week, so I thought I would just vlog and show you guys what I'm up to. Okay, today is Sunday and I have a freelance filming project kind of thing. So this is my OOTD. Okay, so in today's video, I'm also working with Ana Luisa once again. And let me show you the pieces that I picked out this time for their Christmas sales. Okay, let's start with the earrings. Okay, so if you watched my last video, you have already seen this. But this time I picked out these two as well. So I picked these two because I wanted to create a stacked look like this because I have 3 earlobe piercings. I really like it. I think it looks super chic. And I also like that all 3 have a similarity, which is that they all have this like sparkly surface which ties in the entire look. And then on my left side, I only have 2 earlobe piercings, so I put the double hook one at the front, and then at the back I put the lightning one to change up the look. So the dangly one is here on my right ear and at the back on the left ear. Okay, now moving on to the necklace that I'm wearing right now. I super love this one. I think it's like my favorite out of all the necklaces that I've received from Ana Luisa so far. And it's like a heart lock with a key. And I think it looks super nice against like a black top like this. Because for me, I think the most important factor is that I'll be able to wear it a lot. And with this design, I think I can really wear it a lot because you see, even for such casual outfits, I think it just goes really well with the look. And then Ana Luisa also sent me this necklace, which is called the Vida necklace. It's a super simple one that has a sparkly V. And this necklace is a shorter necklace. You can see that the chain is shorter than the Joy one. I chose this one because I just like the simplicity of it, and also because on their website you can see pictures of other people wearing it as inspiration, and I really liked how it looked. It looks really simple and elegant. I think it can also go well with this outfit actually. So the jewelry pieces will come in pouches like these, and for the Joy necklace it even comes in a special green one. And then they'll all come in this box with a thank you card, and both the card and the box is made of 100% recycled paper. Because Ana Luisa really focuses on the sustainability of his brand, they offset 100% of their carbon emissions. And I think it just looks super presentable. So if you're looking to get a Christmas gift for someone, I think this will be really perfect. Or you can even gift it to yourself as a treat, to treat yourself for getting through 2020. So their pieces mostly range from around 70 to 100 Sing dollars. But now for their holiday sale, you can buy one and get one 40% off, which I think is a great steal. So if you're looking to get any of their pieces, now is a great time. So yeah, those are the pieces that I chose this time around for their Christmas sale. So yep, now I'm just gonna have my lunch, and then I'll need to get ready to go to the filming site to do my project. Chicken rice! Okay, I'm about to leave home and I have this big camera bag, and inside I have my DSLR and extra battery and my tripods. And then I also printed a storyboard. Okay, so we found a Santa bag with a QR code there, but they don't have it today. Go! No! 79. Okay, so I wanted to get their apparel because my water bottle is spoiled, but the sales only start on the 10th and it is 7 December. Hi guys, today I'm gonna go meet my friend, and today I was lazy to put makeup, so I just drew my eyebrows and covered my dark eye circles. Okay, but today I'm gonna go meet my friend at Jewel for lunch, and then I think after that she wants to try the, you know, the percentage coffee. Maybe I will wear this hat today. So on 15 December, I'm going to be doing a Shopee live for JDE. And basically, I don't have the full storyboard yet, but I think I'll be preparing like desserts and coffee. So they sent me a bag of their items and they arrived like yesterday. But yesterday I was out the entire day, so I haven't had the time to look at what they sent me. So it's super. And I'm supposed to receive Super Org 3-in-1. Okay, I think I'm just gonna open it and see. Oh! Wow, looks good, yeah. And then they give me another pack. And then inside, I have 3 more big bags of coffee. Ooh. Wow! Nice! It's like a marble design with a golden rim. Oh, so cute! And they also gave me a mug with the word super on it. Okay, just showing you guys my outfit. The good thing about this hat is that it really blocks out the sun because the brim of the hat is quite big. Hi, it's Grace.
We are at Tanah Merah right now and we're waiting for the airport train. Oh wait, there's a smudge in your screen. I gave you on the lens. But it's not really, cannot see right? Oh, actually, it's not. It's probably like your fingerprint. It's still on there.
The menu, so I asked Grace to help me choose. Because it's so like,
why are you choosing now?
This one. Because I always just drink my 3-in-1.
You mean you never order from outside, right?
No.
Like
outside usually I just drink chocolate, like chocolate frap.
Oh.
Yeah, then I don't know how to order. No, from Coffee Bean or like McDonald's. And the name also chim.
Well, okay. Can I teach you?
Sure. Okay, Grace is gonna teach me.
So, if you want coffee with milk, which is what you normally drink, it's latte. It's latte. If you want to eat milk. Oh, I think because let's add it.
I like your action. Is it a pencil?
Yeah, it's pencil. Then I blend.
Look at her eye makeup. It's nice.
It's nothing.
Oh, it looks nice, but you have to look down, I think. Then you can see the glittery part. Yeah, I have nothing.
I know a lot of people are staring at it.
My hat?
Like, I keep seeing people staring at it, so I realized that they're staring at your head. I'm wondering what's this girl doing. You look like Toto Chan.
Okay, she says I look like this. First impression. Wow.
I like the color gradient of the coffee.
Yeah, the color is pretty. It's nice.
This one good coffee taste.
So I'm about to leave home, and today I'm wearing this necklace, the Vida one. Hi guys, so today is what day? Friday? Thursday. So today is Thursday, and my eldest sister and I are going to get a lash lift. I rarely wear eye makeup anyway, but when I wear eye makeup, right, the step I hate the most is curling my eyelashes, because it's like damn troublesome, and then my eyelash will droop down after a while. So yeah, I saw some people getting lash lifts and they look pretty good, so I wanted to try it, and then I asked my sister if she wants to try also, so we're going together. So last night I was craving the ramen from NTU. So I'm having ramen for lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I'm also wearing it today. I think this one goes really well with like high cut black tops as well. Yeah, but anyways, they're currently having their Christmas sale where you can buy one and get one 40% off. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!